when a rich history combines with modern construction and award-winning architecture, the end result is a rare piece of art. Our Ocean Sotheby's International Realty Spotlight is 506 Elizabeth Street, listed by Bob and Debbie Cardenas. Now, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home is not only a work of art, but it is located in the heart of Old Town. You are walking distance from the best of the best on the island. We'll talk more about the history and design of this classic home with the listing agent, Bob Cardenas. Bob, I just love this home. This is a Key West historic gem.
It was actually built back in the mid-1800s. When they first started developing Key West, this whole block out through here was completely vacant, and this was the very first home that was constructed on this block. So when the new owners took over, they did a complete renovation. They raised the house up. They put brand new foundation piers in here that go all the way down to the bedrock. They put oversized beams. The architect who was involved in this was Michael Miller. He's an award-winning architect here in town. And what he likes to do, he likes to make them like brand new homes, but he wants to retain a lot of the historic architecture and characteristics of the home. And he did a phenomenal job with this place. So much so that it won an award from the Historic Foundation in Key West, which is rare.
At one time, it's said that this home was a speakeasy.
In honor of that, we're going to have an open house, and we're going to all be wearing period costumes, and we're going to have a saxophone player and some old-time music being played and serving drinks and food, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
Awesome. Well, I can't wait for that. Hopefully you can be there as well. You can also check out this home anytime in person. Just contact Bob or Debbie. You can also check out oceansir.com for more information on this stunning home.